Welcome to my channel. Please showing my top 5 best products review.
Product review number 1.
Adult classic clog Crocs unisex 100% cross-light made in or imported into the USA. Ethylene vinyl acetate is the only one. Shaft measures approximately 8 inches from arch. Heel measures approximately 0.68 inch. Everyone can wear this process. There are different colors. Both men and women can feel comfortable using it. It is very light because it features very lightweight iconic call compote for comfortable men and women so that it does not feel any kind of fatigue pain even after using it for a long time. It will not feel uncomfortable, due to which there will be no feeling of heat. You can collect it according to your choice in different colors. It comes in different sizes. You can collect whatever size you need, big or small. Hope it will be a very comfortable and choice product for you. This product was a product that received worldwide response and became highly marketable. One who uses it once is bound to fall in love with it. Because it is light, lovely, soft and light in weight. The benefits are endless, and once you use it, it will change your entire perception. It can be used in all environments. You can use it in very hot weather. It is designed in such a way that it can be used in any environment.
Product review number 2.
Comfortable and lightweight women's Wendy lace-up loafers in various colors. These imported shoes are made of rubber with a rounded toe design or folds that you will enjoy wearing and maintain your freedom of movement. Made with modern designs, this is an ideal women's shoe. It is made using lightweight electric material with elastic laces. Helps to flex with the foot so the shoe fits the foot more evenly. Each shoe weighs less than 5 ounces, making it much lighter than a unique shoe that you'll definitely love as an ideal woman. Made of a comfortable, durable, high-quality material, it always provides comfort. It is eco-friendly, so you can wear it anywhere without any problem. A Wendy lace-up loafer great for travel and commuting. Removable memory foam cushioned insole provides maximum comfort and reduces sweat and odor. It is transportable to all places and not machinable. It comes in a variety of sizes, so you can pick the one you need. All in all, hope it will be a nice product for you which will make your lifestyle better and more comfortable. Flex and fold technology, easy on system, elastic lace, ultralight outsole, removable insole, easy to walk.
Product review number 3.
Flip-flop Crocs women's Katie. 100% synthetic imported ethylene vinyl acetate is the only one. Heel measures approximately 0.63 inch. The cute minute is so comfortable that everyone should have one. It's a casual essential. Flip-flops for women have a soft feel that goes well with any outfit, available in a variety of sizes. You can order the size you need, and the grip on the footbed prevents slipping while walking. These sandals offer a comfortable fit. Flip-flops are light, versatile, and ready for fun whenever you are. When you read this flip-flops tip, it will suit all kinds of outfits. We've just made the Katie 2 a little prettier. It's light, versatile, and ready for fun whenever you're ready. It features smooth, thin straps and your favorite cross-light foam cushion. Everyone needs a casual, basic flip.
Product review number 4.
Extremely comfortable Bronx pillow slippers for women and men. Ethylene vinyl acetate sole, 1.7 inch 4.5 centimeters thick sole. It is designed or manufactured in such a way that it conforms to your feet and adapts beautifully. It will provide comfort throughout your day. Salt headlight. It is compression resistant and can make your day more beautiful by providing superior stability and performance. You can easily use it without any hassle. Also, the supportive nature of the EVA material is perfect for relieving foot pain and other conditions that may affect the feet. However, good to know material can shrink at high temperatures. Please keep these points in mind. Product longevity will increase. All in all, if you use Bronx pillow slippers, your daily lifestyle will be comfortable and beautiful.
Product review number 5.
Crocs unisex styled classic clog for comfortable. Imported ethylene vinyl acetate sole. Heel measures approximately 0.7 inch. Everyone needs Crocs shoes, from adults to kids and youngsters. A great shoe. This battle needs to be used by everyone because the shoes are very comfortable and available and easy to use, so everyone needs a pair. It has versatility and comfort of use. Incredibly light and easy to wear, it is acceptable to both girls and boys. Made of foam, so comfortable. You can definitely like it in your lifestyle. It has different sizes, so you can get any size according to your choice. It is designed in such a way that both boys and girls can read by matching their feet. Kids Crocs can be customized with Zibbets charms to reflect their own personal flair. Anyone can clear it. It is easy to clean using soap and water. The options are endless when you expand your kids' wardrobe with these stylish shoes. Best of all, it is easy to use and easy to clean. It can be used as easily by children as in adult classes. It is a lightweight and supportable. You can let your child use it effortlessly. Kids can customize their crosses however they like.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.